guys, what's going on? Today we are going to do piston rings on the Ford Mustang 5-liter. If you're new here, go and subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date on new and upcoming videos. So I'm going to do a time lapse. I'm going to do one, show you how to do it, and then the remaining 7 I'm going to time lapse. I have GoPro set up down on the workspace. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, when you get your piston rings, they're actually going to come with instructions. Kind of just tell you how to identify the top, any particulars on installing. I guess it says do not coil, which is by any of them. So you're going to need a tool. These right here for actually expanding them. This is a Lyle tool 33500. I will put a link in the description for these. Mine came marked 3 oil groove. There's 2 different parts of the oil rings. Second groove, first groove. Alright, for the oil control ring, you're going to have this piece here. Then you're going to have 2 smaller that go on the top and bottom. If you look at it, I'll try to get close enough, you can actually see these little ledges there. And on the bottom side, this one's going to go on first, followed by these. So this one, you can just spiral around. You're not going to hurt this one. So just like that. That's fully in. Then you'll take first oil control ring, set it in the tool like so. Spread it just enough to get it over. Go to the bottom spot first, just like that, and try to make sure my separation of the one is there. That is there, so I'm going to put the other one back on this side. You never want to line them up, even though they'll say that the oil control doesn't matter, but I don't like lining any of my ring grooves up. Spread it. When we get close, you can kind of, if it falls into the other groove, just walk it down gently, like that. There is your oil control installed. The middle one, in your directional sight, there is a top and bottom. It actually does matter. This one actually has a dot right there. That is going to face up. So I have no openings over here. So I'm going to put this one over here, the correct side facing up. These don't want to work, so we are actually going to do them the incorrect way. Once they're in, you can compress it, it moves. That one is installed. And then your top one does not have any marks. So that one, it does not matter which direction it goes on. You just want to make sure that you keep the groove on this one separate from this one. So we're going to go over here. I'm not going to use the pliers. I never have on the small blocks. I just wanted to try to use them. But there you go. And that piston is ready to install. Bearing is already in. I've already checked my clearances and everything, so that's all good. So we are going to go ahead and time lapse the remaining 7. Alright guys, piston rings are installed. One issue I ran into is the top rings. There's apparently only 7 in the bag, even though it was sealed. So I have to reach out to engine tech and say, hey, I only got 7 rings, and hopefully they'll speedy delivery another top one to me so I can get that on. But yeah, piston rings are on. I'm going to get the rest of the rod bearings in it, and then they'll be ready to go on the motor. I have something coming to help with that. So this is all I'm going to have for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse, and that way it's not a drawn out 15-20 minutes of me just putting ring after ring after ring, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So let me know in the comment box if you guys want to see more time lapse or what you guys want to see more of. Until next week, stay awesome, guys.